Okay then, this is just a quick one. I'm getting asked a lot of questions about the mallet, and I figured the easiest way of doing this is just in a quick video, right? Now, one of the questions I keep getting asked is it strong enough for a mallet, right? Now, there is a close-up look at the mallet, so you can see it at the moment, right? Now, there's only one red spot on this mallet anywhere. Okay, there's a couple of little ones, but there, right? Now, this is a piece of basically rock hard, dry beach, right? And put the camera up a bit, right? All I'm going to do is I'm going to smack this chisel through it using the mallet on that spot, right? Right, now I'll split the beach, right? You can see, same spot, not a mark. Right, so it is well strong enough to be used as a mallet, right? Now, HDPE can also be used for other stuff as well, right? I'd mentioned in the other video that I'd done pens, that I do pens out of it, right? They are all HDPE pens, right? They make very pretty pens, right? As I said, I did a video on doing them ages ago, back when I wasn't talking in videos, and it was one of these, the Ireland pen that I did, the tricolour pens. But if you sort them out, you can get loads of colours in it, right? Now, the third question I was asked was, how do you know for definite it's HDPE? Now, hopefully the camera will pick this up. Right, come on, focus. Right, see that sign there? The triangle with the 2, that's what you're looking for. That tells you it's HDPE, and it may or may not have HDPE written under it. That's how you tell if it's HDPE. Alright, so I hope that's answered the questions on the mallet, and I'll see you in the next one. Right.